Assalamu alaikum 3 class. I hope you're all fine and doing good. Your English teacher Arujali is here. Okay boys, today we will start a new topic and our new topic is preposition. First of all, have a look at the definition of the preposition. What is preposition? Here is the definition of preposition. A preposition connects a noun or pronoun to other words and shows the relationship between them. They also tell you about place or time. Okay, preposition is a part of speech. Okay, now I am going to share some example of prepositions. These are the prepositions and these are the position words: on, in, under, over. And these are the example of prepositions, and these words tell you where the noun is. It tells us the position. Okay, now I'm going to share some example of these words. Now look at the example number 1. The book is on the table. Here on is preposition. Okay, on tell us the position of book. Okay, now look at the example number 2. The rabbit is under the tree. Here under is preposition and it tells us the position of rabbit. Here rabbit is a noun. Now look at example number 3. The cat is jumping over the chair. Here over is preposition. Okay boys, these are the example of prepositions that we have discussed. Now open your textbook and open the page number 64 and look at the example number B. Look at the pictures given below. Read the sentences. Now I will read these sentences. Number 1, the book is in the box. Number 2, the book is on the box. Number 3, the book is under the box. Number 4, the book is near the box. And number 5, the book is in front of the box. Okay boys, these all underline words, as you can see: in, on, under, near, in front of, tells you the relation in which the book stands to the box. Okay, it tells us the positions. It tells you where the book is. Okay, it tells you where the book is: under, on, in, near, in front of. These are all the position. Okay, and such words are called prepositions. Okay, here we have more examples on page number 64. Have a look at these examples. The dog walked behind his master. So here behind is preposition. Now look at another example. I am playing with my friends. Here with is preposition. The sky is above us. Here above is prepositions. Okay boys. Now look at the exercise number B. It's a part of exercise number B. Underline the preposition in the sentences. Now I'm going to read these sentences. Number 1, the elephant comes with a cargo of children. Number 2, the bird flew over my head. Number 3, Amna sits behind me in class. Number 4, we were afraid of the dog. Number 5, I left my pen in the class. Number 6, they left their trunk on the station. Now boys, you will underline the prepositions. Look at the number 1. Here with is a preposition, so you will underline the with. Look at number 2. Here over is a preposition, so you will underline over. Number 3, behind is preposition. Okay, so you will underline this. Number 4, of is the preposition. Number 5, in is a preposition. And number 6, on is a preposition. So these are the example of preposition. So boys, this is your classwork. Now I'm going to share your homework. Look at the exercise number C. This is the page number 64 from your textbooks. Fill in the blanks with the correct prepositions. Yeah, it's your homework, beta. Do by yourself. Look at number 1. The children jumped dash joy. Number 2. She is found dash ice cream. Number 3. Open your book dash page 20. Number 4. Who is sitting dash you. Number 5. There is a toy shop dash my house. So boys, this is your homework. Now it's time to write diary. Your classwork, did textbook page number 64 and exercise B. Today we did exercise number B. It's your homework. Do exercise C from textbook page number 64. Okay boys, take care. Allah Hafiz.